So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals with air conditioning on apartments.com. So once apartments.com is opened up, go to the location tab, type in your location, and then press on the search icon. Once you're on this page, go to the top right to where it says all filters and press on that. Then just scroll down to where it says popular amenities, and the second one right here says air conditioning. Press on that, it will turn green highlighted. Then go to the bottom right, press on see results. Now, all the results that you are seeing are listings that have air conditioning in them. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to find rentals with air conditioning on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.